is the sound of a whipbird. Very, very hard to find. Much more often heard than seen. It's very close. Sounds like he's right here in front of me, but buggered if I can see him. No, just can't see him. But, that's the sound of the whipbird anyway. Beautiful thing. They're a little undergrowth dweller. About the size of a starling. They have a little black crest on their head. Little pointy crest, like a bulbul or something like that. And he's waiting for the reply from the female. I would say that's a male. But he's not going to move and give his position away. But the call is it's often quite deceiving, or deceptive, I should say. It can sound like they're a lot closer than they are. But he's in this tea tree scrub here somewhere. But anyway, that's the sound of the eastern whipbird, Aussie Birds Rock. There you go. That was one with a slightly different pitch. Higher pitch. It sounds like he's 6 foot in front of me. There you go. That was the call and the reply. I'm glad I got that. The first part was the male, the double note answer. That was the female. Let's see if I can get one more before the battery runs out on my camera here. Beautiful. I hope the sound of the surf isn't drowning them out. Obviously my voice isn't scaring them away either, because they can obviously hear me, but they know I can't see them. It's a real shame, because it's quite difficult to get photographs of them, let alone live footage. Damn it, it sounds like he's right here. No, I'm not going to get not going to get footage of him. I'll come back when my batteries are full and try this another time. If I can't get anything, I'll post this, because at least it's a good example of the beautiful sound that they make. Anyway. You can see why they get the name whipbird. It really is like a pull back on a lash and then a crack at the end. Bang. Anyway, I'm off for a walk. Aussie Birds Rock. See ya.